Hi, everyone. I'm Josh Radbod, co-founder and CEO of the PBC Conference, the B2B conference for payments, banking, and compliance in the cannabis industry. I'd like to welcome Tony Braglio, Director of PowerQwest Financial, one of our PBC Conference sponsors. Tony, thank you so much for being here. Please tell us a little bit about you and what your business does.
Yes, Josh, thanks for having us. So with PowerQwest Financial, been in the ATM industry now for 20 years in the retail and traditional bank, helping out traditional FIs and small and regional banks, as well as the typical retail customer, specializing also in mobile and temporary ATM placements. We've expanded our service to this cannabis industry to give these places access to the PIN debit access so they can have an electronic form of payment within their store and have the cash. So again, thank you for having us.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Tony. That's fantastic. So can you tell us a little bit more about the services? So it's both ATM services and PIN debit services. And then are you guys operating nationwide?
Yes, so we operate a nationwide fleet of ATMs, so we can provide these ATMs where any cannabis dispensary operates in the United States. So if you're a multi-state operator, we can grow with you no matter where you go. So we're providing the full turnkey service ATMs where we own the ATM, we provide the cash, we do all the maintenance, we work with the armored car to get it there and guarantee the 98% or better uptimes, and basically pay you for the space in your store and get to share in the revenue without all the headaches and get the service your customers need. And you can focus on taking care of your clients, your patients, your customers. So
Fantastic. Thank you so much for that. It sounds like a soup to nuts service. So amazing. So what are you most excited for about PBC 2021 and why?
I'm looking to meet the people in the industry, the other guys out there in the payment industry, the other people banking, learning about the regulatory environment, because it seems like it's ever evolving. You don't want to necessarily call it the Wild West, but it kind of is in a certain sense. But really look and getting our services out there to show people what we can do and how we can do it in a compliant manner. That way, the KYC, the anti-money laundering rules, and making sure we're running those transactions down the proper rails. And we're not saying it's in the sub shop around the corner. We're actually registering it in the dispensary and doing everything above board the way it should be done.
Certainly. Fantastic. Thank you so much for that. Tony, what is one fact about you that would surprise everyone?
That's interesting. So my background for my family is the bar and restaurant business. So I like to cook and have kind of got into this quasi pit master role. So I can call myself somewhat of a chef here. So and being exposed to this cannabis space, there seems to be a lot of opportunities sometimes where you can become a cannabis chef. So I'm a little intrigued about that. See if my regular culinary experience can transcend over into that world at all. So
that's awesome. It could be the next venture. We shall see.
Yes, absolutely.
Awesome, man. Well, Tony, thank you so much for being here and for sponsoring our PBC conference. Folks, if you would like to meet Tony and his team, please join us at our PBC conference at the Capitol Hilton Hotel in Washington, D.C. on September 9th and 10th. Thank you so much.
Thank you.